Hi everyone, welcome in the presentation. So we will explore value stream mapping in the context of Six Sigma. So you will learn how to visualize the processes, eliminate the waste and improve the efficiency step by step. So what is value stream mapping? So value stream mapping or VSM. So it's a simple yet but very powerful tool for Lean Six Sigma. So it helps us see how work flows through the process and where things slow down. So it's a lean management tool used to visualize, analyze, and improve the flow of materials and information required to deliver a product service to a customer. It helps identify the inefficiencies, bottleneck, and non-value added activity in the process. So whether you are building a car or creating content, VSM helps you to spot waste and improve the flow. What is the history of value stream mapping? So value stream mapping began with the Toyota's efforts to streamline the car production. And it was later adopted into Lean and Six Sigma to help teams visualizing not just physical movement but also how information travels through the system. So now here is the key component and symbols. So VSM uses the simple symbols to map the process. Boxes are there, then boxes are to show the workflow or steps, okay, and then there is an arrow which shows the flow or the material or the info. Then there is an inventory triangle here, so it shows the waiting or the storage or inventory, you can say. There is a data box here which shows the time and quantity, and there is a Kaizen burst. This highlighted the areas for improvement or opportunities for improvement. So these visuals make it easy to spot what is working and what is not. The Six Sigma approach to VSM. So in Lean Six Sigma, VSM helps reducing the defects and variation. Okay, and it's not just about the speed. It is about the quality by mapping the process, and we can find the root causes of delays and errors and fix them with the data driven solution. So it identifies the root causes of inefficiencies. And what is VSM and DMAC here? So VSM fits perfectly into DMAC framework. So in the analyze phase, we map the current state, and in the improve, we redesign the process to be faster and smarter. So VSM fits into analyze and improve phases of DMAC. And current state map helps visualizing the delays and bottlenecks, helps teams spot the root causes and design the smarter workflows. And future state map shows the streamlined improved process here. And VSM supports data-driven decision in Six Sigma. So what is current state map here? So current state map shows how the process work is right now. And a future state map, it shows how the process should work after improvement. Example of VSM here. So let's explore. So how stream mapping applies across industry. So suppose in a healthcare, the flow begins with the patient check-in. Then this goes to the waiting area and into a doctor consultation and ends at the billing. Like in the education area, a teacher creates a lesson and records a video or an audio, uploaded to the platform, and a student access the content. Another example is like in a manufacturing company, what they are doing, they like in manufacturing, parts are produced here and sent to the assembly. Then the final product is delivered. So this is a simple value stream mapping. So now there is a way like a case study about the healthcare department. So here what they are doing, a hospital mapped a patient journey here. Okay, so a hospital used VSM to map the patient journey from registration to the discharge. So they found delays in billings and waiting areas by redesigning the flow here. So they cut the wait time by 30% here. So that is the real impact. So what are the 7 steps to create a value stream mapping? So first step is to select the process. So here choosing the product or the service process to be mapped. Then the second part is the define the scope. So we set the clear start and the end point. Then we have to map the current state here. Shows materials and information flow as it exists now. Then we collect the data, like add the here flow information where cycle time, wait time, defects, inventory mentioned. Then we identify the waste bottleneck, design the future state here, then create a action plan, step to move from current state to future state. So creating a value map is very simple. Choosing a process, define the boundary and map the current state. Then collect data, find the waste and design a better future state. So finally build an action plan to make it real. What are the advanced technique of VSM? Advanced technique and tools for value stream mapping. So for this techniques, we have a future state mapping with Kaizen burst, where we highlighting the improvement opportunities directly on the map with Kaizen symbols. So it helps team focuses on where to apply the Lean Six Sigma tools. Then there is the extended VSM, end-to-end supply chain. So map not internal processes, supplier, logistics and customer, useful for organization complex and value chain. Now the time value mapping, where splits process time into value added versus non-value added time to make delays, bottleneck and waste time more visible here. Now data layering. So add performance data such as defect rates, then the downtime is there, then turn the map OE and into data driven improvement tools. Then there is a dynamic VS or a digital. So use a simulation or a digital twin to model the different what if scenario. So now there is a tool for advanced VSM. So for we have a software tool also and Lean Six Sigma tools integrated with VSM. So for software tools, we have Minitab, Workspace or Companion. So Lean Six Sigma mapping and analysis happens in that. And there is a Lucid Chart or Microsoft Visio with a professional VSM diagramming. Then there is the iGraphX and Smart Draw, which is advanced process mapping with analytics. Then there is a LeanX or SAP Signavio, where digital enterprise VSM for IT and business processes. And for Lean Six Sigma tools integrated with VSM, we have a spaghetti diagram, we have a swim lane diagrams, and we have a process simulation tools. So for spaghetti diagram, we have here to track the physical movement and reduce the motion waste here. And for swim lane, 2 separate roles, department in service VSM. And process simulation tools. It is to test the future state map before the implementation. Now comes the conclusion here. So value stream mapping, it's not just a tool, it helps us to see the entire journey of value from start to finish, exposing the delays, inefficiencies and the hidden waste. Then by mapping the current state, we understand the reality, and by designing the future state, we shape the possibility. So with a clear action plan, we turn insight into impact. So whether you're improving a hospital's patient flow or a streamlining a manufacturing line, VSM empowers team to work smarter, not harder. So keep asking, where does value stops flowing and what can we do to restore it? So that is the heart of lean thinking. Okay, so thanks for joining and keep mapping forward. And this is the assessment we have mentioned here. So check yourself and give the answer in the comment box. I'll be happy to answer all. Thank you, everyone.